Hello guys, and welcome to another quick tutorial video. And in this short tutorial video, I'm going to be showing you how you can simply convert your Bitcoin to Ethereum on Trust Wallet. So all you need to do is log into Trust Wallet and simply scroll till you find your Ethereum or your Bitcoin. So once you found the Bitcoin, select Bitcoin, and with your available BTC, all you need to do is simply click on this more icon, which is here, select the more and select swap. Now, Trust Wallet gives us the opportunity to simply convert our Ethereum to Bitcoin or convert our Bitcoin to Ethereum by simply entering an amount of Ethereum you wish to convert. Let's say we've got at least 0.05 or thereabout. All you need to do now is simply click on preview swap, and now you can simply convert your Bitcoin to Ethereum. Another method of getting the Ethereum through conversion is by simply minimizing and using a centralized exchange. And the centralized exchange we're going to be working with is Binance. So simply select Binance. Once you've selected Binance, all you need to do is simply click on this deposit icon, which is right here. Select the deposit option. Select the BTC, which is in the trending token section. You can see here BTC. Click on Bitcoin again. That's the network. Copy this and simply send your Bitcoin from your Trust Wallet over here. So you can do that by simply minimizing. Open up the Trust Wallet app, click on BTC, click on send, paste this address, enter the amount of Bitcoin you wish to send, 0.05, and simply click on continue. And now you can send your Bitcoin out of your wallet. So once your Bitcoin has arrived at the Binance, you can simply check it by using the wallet option, which is at the bottom right corner of the screen. Click here, you're dropped at the overview where you simply scroll and scroll again. And now you can find your BTC deposited. But before you can do anything with your deposit, before you can even make the deposit, you're going to need an account on Binance. And by simply using our link, which is going to be in the description of this video, you can simply register and verify your account and stand a chance to claim 100 USDT worth of trading fee rebates just by using our link alone. Now select this convert option, which is here, and now simply convert your Bitcoin to Ethereum. So click on the from, select ETH in the space for search, put in ETH, select Bitcoin, and change it up. Spot wallet to funding, click on max, and simply click on preview conversion and convert. Boom, that's how it's done. So guys, do comment down below if you've got any questions concerning how we can go about any of these, and you'll be given an answer. Thank you.